Okay, so if you have a doorbell camera like I do right here, you should actually get the Trushome doorbell camera mount for your door. This product was sent to me to go ahead and try out, and it's so easy to set up and to use. So inside comes with the instruction guide. So this is what the instruction guide looks like. It does tell you how to set it up. This is what the casing looks like. So it comes in two separate parts. So this is the part that the doorbell camera is actually going to go into. And even though it does look wide here, I'm going to show you that it actually comes with these like hard sponges that will go ahead and be all around your doorbell camera, so that it's actually protected and sealed here, so no one can actually take it from this front. And this part here is the part that goes on to the back like this, and then your door. There is a few, I would say, adjusters that will go through these holes to adjust for the sizing of your door right here. So let's go ahead and set this up and test it out on the door. So these are the screws that I was talking about. It does have these screws to go ahead and hook the backing on, and then these are the adjusters. As you can see, these sponges come in different sizes, different thickness, and also some short ones. So you can definitely sort of customize it in order to fit around your doorbell. All right, so let's go ahead and fit it in. So I'm gonna go ahead and place my doorbell right in the middle. So it's gonna look like this, and we're just gonna stuff it, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so far I have two long pieces here and two short pieces here, so that this is snug in place. And as you can see, the camera is not blocked or anything like that. You can still press this button for the Ring doorbell, and the vision is not compromised, but it can't fall out or be taken out. So on this piece right here, all you're simply actually going to do is use a thin one and place it right on the back right here, so that this part here is actually now protected from this cover. So this back cover is going to hook on with these small screws, and it does come with its own tiny screwdriver to go ahead and secure this. That is what it looks like. So this is not damaging the camera at all. This is just securing the backing onto that front part. The second piece, these two pieces are going to connect. This is what's going to go on your door. It does have a smooth finish. It's not going to actually scratch your door at all. These are adjustable, so that depending on the thickness of your door frame, this will be able to be adjusted. So it's going to look like this, where this part you can go ahead and tighten or loosen, and this is where your door is actually going to fit. So you simply go ahead and put this screw in. Then you're going to put this part, just screw this part right here. All right, so these are the two parts, so let's go ahead and put it on the door. So to go ahead and attach this to your door, you simply open your door. Make sure that this part is flat on your door, and then we're just going to screw this in. So this is actually what's going to be tightened onto your actual door frame, and this part, of course, is inside your house. As you can see, I've tightened it, and this is actually not moving. And then this is how it's actually going to look on the inside, and your camera's on the outside. This is a close-up view of what it looks like, and this is how it's actually on your door. As you can see, it's not going to mark or anything like that. It is just putting pressure on your door. This is how it looks outside. As you can see, this is the door that's inside, and it is pretty secure. This can't be taken or anything like that, and it's just hooked on nicely, quite nicely on your door. This is how it looks on the inside of your door. As you can see, it's not marking. It's just that knob is just pressure on your door, and it's not doing anything to scratch or damage your door. That's how it looks. I think this is such an easy setup, quick to install, especially if you have a doorbell camera. You don't need any screws into your wall, into your door, or outside your house or anything like that. It's so easy just to hook up on your door.